problem is pirates on the Bewley River, and our solution is a potato cannon. So this is the barrel, this is the chamber, and this is the card. Sophia's going to explain you how it works.
So we have a butane here, and inside here we create, by pressing this button you can create a spark, and that creates a reaction, and we've sealed the lid on to make sure the hot air can't escape that way, and it wants to escape through this barrel here, and then the potato will be here, so the potato goes out with the hot air. So Arthur's just pulling the potato off because we've already got a nugget in. And then he's going to use this long rod to push the potato in.
That's good.
Yep. Then we are going to put this hairspray into the chamber. But we don't want to put too much, otherwise it won't fire.
And the lid will seal up. Three, two, one.
That should have got the pirates.
That went fast. That went like much faster and further away from any of the other potatoes we launched.